Have you ever started something and then stopped? A diet, a habit, a dream, an English course. You started with fire, with excitement, with this time it is different. And then, slowly, the fire went out. Life got busy, progress felt slow, the motivation disappeared, and you stopped. Again. That start and stop cycle, that is the real reason people never become fluent in English. Not grammar, not vocabulary, not talent, just giving up too soon. Today, on day 7, I am going to give you something that ends that cycle forever. Because persistence, real, deep, unshakable persistence, is not something you are born with. It is something you build. And today, we build it together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Ember. If you are joining us for the very first time today, welcome to the family. You have picked the perfect day to start. And if you have been here since day 1, oh my goodness, 7 days strong. I see you, I am proud of you, and I am so grateful you keep coming back. This is day 7 of our 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. 1 full week down, 23 days to go. And today, on this very special milestone day, we are talking about the one thing that is going to carry you through every single day that is left: persistence, strength, never giving up. Because motivation gets you started, but persistence is what finishes the job. Let me take you back for just a second. 1 week ago, you discovered shadowing, and everything changed. Then you came back on day 2 when most people had already quit. On day 3, you took your future dreams and goals and you spoke them out loud in English. Actually, out loud. Day 4, self-confidence and self-love. Remember that? You built something real that day. Then came day 5, overcoming fear and doubt. And honestly, that was a big one. You felt it, you faced it, and you kept going. And just yesterday, day 6, you stopped translating and started actually thinking in English. Look at that. Look at what 1 week did to you. Now, let us make day 7 the one that ties it all together. I want to be honest with you today. Persistence is hard. Not on day 1. Day 1 is exciting. Day 1 has energy and fire, and I can do this. But day 7, day 14, day 21, those days are different. Those are the days when the excitement is gone and all you have left is the decision to show up, the decision to keep going, the decision to choose your dream one more time, even when it feels heavy, even when the progress feels invisible, even when that voice inside says, "What is the point?" And I want you to know something about that voice. That voice is not the truth. That voice is just fear wearing a disguise. Because here's the real truth. The progress is never invisible. It's just quiet. It's happening underneath the surface, building connections and pathways that are going to show up one day, out of nowhere, and completely blow your mind. You will be in a conversation and the words will just come without searching, without translating, without thinking. And on that day, you will remember day 7, the day everything felt hard, the day you showed up anyway, and you will be so glad you did. Let me tell you the one thing nobody tells you about persistence. It does not get easier. I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but it's the truth, and you deserve the truth. Persistence does not get easier, but here's what does happen. You get stronger. Every day you show up, you get a little stronger. a little more used to the hard days, a little more confident that you can handle whatever comes next. And after 7 days of showing up, you are already stronger than you were on day one. You just can't feel it yet because strength, real strength, is quiet. It doesn't announce itself. It just shows up every day, like you do. The people who become fluent in English are not the ones who never struggled. They're the ones who struggled and kept going. They are you. Same 5 rules every single day. Rule 1, listen first. Feel the meaning, no translation. Rule 2, repeat out loud 3 times, loud and clear. Rule 3, mistakes are welcome. They mean you're trying. Rule 4, feel every word, mean every sentence. Rule 5, go at your own pace. Pause and repeat any sentence as many times as you need. This is your practice. Ready? Let's practice never giving up, one sentence at a time. Listen carefully. After the pause, your turn. Out loud 3 times. I never give up because I know my breakthrough is coming. I never give up because I know my breakthrough is coming. I never give up because I know my breakthrough is coming. It is coming, not maybe, not possibly. It is coming. Every day you show up brings it one step closer, and one day, one ordinary day, it will arrive, and everything will click. I have made it one full week, and I am incredibly proud of myself. I have made it one full week, and I am incredibly proud of myself. I have made it one full week, and I am incredibly proud of myself. One full week, 7 days. Say that with your whole chest. You earned this pride, every single bit of it. Every difficult day I push through makes me stronger than before. Every difficult day I push through makes me stronger than before. Every difficult day I push through makes me stronger than before. The hard days are not obstacles. They are the training. The days when you do not feel like practicing and you practice anyway, those are the days that build the real strength. I choose to keep going even when progress feels slow and invisible. I choose to keep going even when progress feels slow and invisible. I choose to keep going even when progress feels slow and invisible. Progress is always happening, even when you cannot see it, like a seed underground. It is growing. It is building. Keep going, especially on the invisible days. I started this journey and I will finish it, all 30 days. I started this journey and I will finish it, all 30 days. I started this journey and I will finish it, all 30 days. Say that as a promise to yourself, not to me. You started, you are still here, and you will finish all 30 days because that is who you are. I am consistent, I am dedicated, and I am unstoppable. I am consistent, I am dedicated, and I am unstoppable. I am consistent, I am dedicated, and I am unstoppable. My persistence today is building the fluency I will have tomorrow. My persistence today is building the fluency I will have tomorrow. My persistence today is building the fluency I will have tomorrow. Today's practice is tomorrow's fluency. Today's repetition is tomorrow's natural speech. Everything you do today is an investment that pays back with interest. Keep investing. I fall down sometimes, but I always get back up. I fall down sometimes, but I always get back up. I fall down sometimes, but I always get back up. Always. You have fallen before. Everyone has. But you got back up. You are here on day 7. Getting back up is not just something you do sometimes. It is who you are. The only failure is stopping, and I refuse to stop. The only failure is stopping, and I refuse to stop. The only failure is stopping, and I refuse to stop. Refuse. You refuse to let fear stop you. You refuse to let doubt stop you, and you refuse to stop. That quiet, daily refusal is the engine of everything you are becoming. I celebrate how far I have come instead of focusing on how far I have to go. I celebrate how far I have come instead of focusing on how far I have to go. I celebrate how far I have come instead of focusing on how far I have to go. I am writing a new story for myself, and it is written in English. I am writing a new story for myself, and it is written in English. I am writing a new story for myself, and it is written in English. A new story, not the old one where you stayed silent and doubted yourself. A brand new story where you speak, where you think, where you believe. Every day of this challenge is a new page. Keep writing. I am stronger than every excuse and bigger than every obstacle. I am stronger than every excuse and bigger than every obstacle. I am stronger than every excuse and bigger than every obstacle. Every single day I show up is a victory worth celebrating. Every single day I show up is a victory worth celebrating. Every single day I show up is a victory worth celebrating. Not just day 30, not just when you feel fluent. Today, day 7, is a victory. Tomorrow will be a victory. Every single day you press play is a win. And you You are winning. Week 1 is done, and week 2 is going to be even more powerful. Week 1 is done, and week 2 is going to be even more powerful. Week 1 is done, and week 2 is going to be even more powerful. Week 2 is where the habit becomes natural, where the sentences start flowing, where English starts feeling less like something you're learning and more like something you already know. You have no idea what is coming, and it is beautiful. I am a different person than I was on day 1, and I keep growing. I am a different person than I was on day 1, and I keep growing. I am a different person than I was on day 1, and I keep growing. Different, stronger, braver, more confident, more open, more English. That's you right now on day 7, and tomorrow you'll be even more than you are today. This is what growth looks like, and you are living it. And that is day 7. 1 full week complete. I want you to do something right now. Clap for yourself. Seriously. Right now, wherever you are, clap for yourself because you did something that most people never do. You started something hard and you kept going for 7 whole days. That is not small. That is everything. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you in the comments. 3 things. Write, week 1 complete. I am unstoppable. Tell me which country you are from. I want to know where in this world you are watching from. And tell me, what was the biggest thing this week did for you? Was it the self-confidence, the dreams and goals, overcoming fear and doubt, thinking in English? Tell me, because your answer might be exactly what someone else needs to read today. 23 days left, and I promise you, week 2 is going to blow your mind. Come back tomorrow for day 8. Same time, same place, right here on Everyday English with Ember. Thumbs up if this week changed something inside you. Subscribe and hit the bell. And share this with someone who needs to believe that they can do hard things, because you just proved that they can. Thank you for being here. Thank you for never giving up. You are 1 week in. You are already different. You are already better. And nothing can stop you now. See you tomorrow for week 2. Bye for now.